Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 5, admission of a partner of standard 12 commerce subject account. In our last video, that is the first part of the same chapter, we have seen that when there is an admission of a new partner, at that time there is a need to find out new profit sharing ratio. As new partner is entering, so old partner's share is going to get reduced and new partner will be getting profit in a future. So for that we have to find out very first thing is new profit sharing ratio. And again, as we discussed that for the distribution of goodwill, we also need to find out the sacrifice of the old continuing partner. So let's see the same type of sum today. So that part 1 is already linked in the description, and this is the second part of the same chapter. And today we are going to see how to find out new profit sharing ratio as well as sacrificing ratio at the time of the admission of the partner. So let's see the sum number 1. So here we can see that A and B are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted for the 1/4 share in the profit. So here in the profit means the total profit of the partnership firm. So from the partnership firm, straight 1/4 share is supposed to be given to partner C, and then calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So here, as we know that the old profit sharing ratio of the partner is solution, and for that old partners profit sharing ratio is 3:2. And here again the new entering partner, that is new partner C's profit sharing ratio is 1/4. So here 1/4 is from the total partnership firm, total profit. So let's assume the total profit of the firm is 1. Let total profit of the partnership firm is 1. So from this one we are going to deduct 1/4 share of the entering partner. So the remaining share will be the old partner's share. So the remaining share of old partner A and B is equal to total profit minus total profit minus entering partner, that is C, entering partner's share. Total profit of the firm is 1 minus entering new partner's share is 1/4. So here, as we know from 1/4, if you want to deduct, we have to take the LCM, and for that we are going to make here 4 and here 1. So from 4 we are going to deduct 1. So it will be 3/4. So this 3/4 share 3 by 4, that is the remaining share, and multiply by 2 by 5. So that is 2 by 5. So here 3 2s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. So here A's share is 9 by 20, B's share is 6 by 20, and A's share is, as we know, it is 1 by 4. So to make the profit sharing ratio, here we have to take this one in an equivalent format. So C's new share is equal to 1 by 4 multiply by, to make it denominator equivalent, we have to multiply by 5. So here 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 1. So therefore new profit sharing ratio is equal to 9:6:5. So this is our answer. You may note down this in your notebook. Then we are going to see next example. Let's see the next example. Example number 2. A and B are the partners in partnership firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. C is admitted for 1/5 share of partnership firm. In the future, profit sharing ratio of A and B would be 2:3. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So here again, C is taking 1/5 share of total profit. So first we are going to find out the remaining share for old partner, and afterwards here we have to continue that share in a ratio of 2:3. So let's find out. For that, very first thing, let's assume profit of the firm is 1, and the new entering partner C's profit, new partner share is equal to 1 by 5. So remaining share of old partner is equal to remaining share of old partner A and B is equal to total profit minus new partner's share. Minus new partner's share. Here, total profit is 1 and new partner's share is 1 by 5. So here, we are going to make the denominator calculated sum for that. Here, 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. So that will be 4 by 5. This is the remaining share of old partner. Now, this share supposed to be distributed in the ratio of 2:3 to find out new profit sharing ratio of old partner. So for that, let's do it with the help of formula. The formula is old partner's remaining share, new share of old partner is equal to new share of old partner. Old partners is equal to remaining share of profit, that is remaining share of profit, that is 4 by 5, multiplied by share in new ratio. So share in new ratio is equal to 2:3. Okay. So here let's find out is new share. Is new share is equal to. So remaining share is 4 by 5 into is new share will be 2 by 5. So it will be 4 2 is 8, 5 5 is 25. So is new share will be 8 by 5. This new share is equal to 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. So it will be 4 3 is 12, 5 5 is 25. So this new share will be 12 by 25. 12 by 25. And as we know, since new share is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So here this is a 5 and these are 25. So to make the denominator same, we are going to multiply it by 5. So here 5 is 5 and 5 is 25. So new profit sharing ratio will be therefore new profit sharing ratio is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 5. So this is new profit sharing ratio. You may note down this in your notebook. Then we are going to see the next term. Okay, let's see the example number 3. A and B are the partners in a firm selling profit loss in the ratio of 4:3. So they are selling profit in the ratio of 4:6. C is admitted for 1/7 share in the profit. C obtained 2/21 share from A and 1/21 from B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So here C straight is sharing, taking her share from the old partner. So here we have to straight deduct from the profit sharing ratio. We have to deduct the sacrifice. Okay. So here the very first thing, C's share in new partnership form will be 1/7. Okay. And then C obtained 2/21. 2/21 from A and 1/21 from B. So here A's sacrifice is equal to 2/21. Straight we can see that A's sacrifice is equal to 2/21 and B's sacrifice is equal to 1/21. So this sacrifice we are going to deduct from the old share. So we are going to get new share. So here the formula to find out new share is equal to new share of old partner. New share of old partner is equal to old share minus sacrifice. So here A is the new by 21. So here, to make the denominator same, we are going to multiply here by 3 and here by 1. 4 3s are 12 upon 21 minus 2 upon 21. So 10 by 21. So this is the A's new share will be 10 by 21. And now let's find out B's new share. So B's new share is equal to, B's old share is equal to 3 by 7 minus B's sacrifice is 1 by 21. So here again, to make the denominator same, we are going to multiply here by 3 and here by 1. So 3 3s are 9 upon 21 minus 1 upon 21. So B's new share will be 8 by 21 and C's new share that is already given in the sum is 1 by 7. C's new share is equal to 1 by 7. So here, to make the denominator same, here we have to multiply this 7 by 3. So here again we have to multiply same with 1. So total here will be 3. 7 3s are 21 and 3 3s are 1. So new profit sharing ratio is 10:8:3. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio is equal to 10:8:3. So this is our answer. You may note down this in your notebook. Then we are going to see the next sum. Let's see example number 4. A and B are the partners in a firm selling profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. C is admitted for 1/4 share in the profit. C obtained his share from A and B in the ratio of 3:1. So here sacrificing ratio of the old partner is given. So C's share will be shared in the ratio of 3:1. And now they are asking us to find out the new profit sharing ratio. So here the old partner's share is equal to, old partner's share is equal to 5:3. So that will be 5 by 8 is to 3 by 8. Okay. And now C's share, new partner, C's share is equal to 1/4. And that 1/4 C is obtained in the ratio of C obtained from A and B in the ratio of 3:1. So that will be in the ratio of 3:1. So here first we have to find out the sacrifice of the old partner. So here the formula to find out the sacrifice of old partner is equal to new partner's share multiplied by old partner's sacrifice. New partner's share multiplied by old partner sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio of old partner and A's sacrifice is equal to 3 by 4. So that will be 3 by 4. So A's sacrifice will be 3 ones are 3 and 4 fours are 16. So this is the A's sacrifice. Now let's find out the B's sacrifice. B's sacrifice is equal to old partner, new partner's share is equal to 1/4 and B's sacrifice is equal to 1 by 4. So that will be 1 by 16. So that is B's sacrifice. Now to find out new profit sharing ratio, we already seen the formula that new share of old partner is equal to old profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio minus sacrifice. So from old share, if we are going to subtract the sacrifice, we are going to find out new share. So now new share of old partner is equal to old profit sharing ratio, that is old share minus sacrifice. So that will be sacrifice. So old share of A is equal to 5 by 8. So new share of A, partner A, new share of A is equal to old share of A is equal to 5 by 8 minus sacrifice of A is equal to 3 by 16. So here making denominator same. 5 is 10 upon 16. 10 upon 16 minus 3 upon 16. So it will be 7 upon 16. So this is new share of A. Now the same way, let's see the new share of B is equal to old share of B is a 3 by 8 minus sacrifice of B is equal to 1 by 16. Making denominator same. 6 by 16 minus 1 by 16. So it will be 5 by 16. And now this share is new share of C is equal to 1 by 4. And to make the denominator same, here we have to multiply by 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So new profit sharing ratio is 7 is to 5 is to 4. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio this is our answer. You may note down this in your notebook. Let's see the example number 5. In that, A and B are the partner. They admit C as a new partner. And A sacrificed 1/5 of his share and B sacrificed 1/4 of his share in favor of C. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So here, in this sum, they have asked us to find out both new profit sharing ratio as well as sacrificing ratio. And here, you can see that old profit sharing ratio is not given. So whenever is 1:1. Okay. So here again what they are telling us that they admitted C as a new partner and A sacrificed 1/5 of his share. So here his share is 1/2. From this share he is sacrificing 1/5 of his share. So here to find out A's sacrifice of his share. So A's sacrifice is equal to A's old share multiplied by sacrifice his share, that is share of his sacrifice. That will be 1/5. So here A's sacrifice is equal to A's old share is 1/2 multiplied by 1/5. So it will be 1/10. So A's sacrifice will be 1/10. Same way, let's find out B's sacrifice. So B's sacrifice is equal to B's old share multiplied by share of his sacrifice. Here again we can see that B's old share is 1:1. That means B's share is again 1/2. And B's sacrifice is given here, that is 1/4. Okay, so 1/4. So here it will be 1/8. So A's sacrifice is 1/10. B's sacrifice is 1/8. So from that we can see that we have old profit sharing ratio, even we have sacrifice. So from that we are able to find out A and B's new share. So new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. So A's new share is equal to A's old share will be 1/2 minus A's sacrifice is 1/10. So here making denominator same, 5/10 minus 1/10. So it will be 4/10. So A's new share will be 4/10. Again B's new share will be 1/2 minus 1/8. So here to make the denominator same, here we have to multiply by 4 and here 1. So 4/8 minus 1/8. So it will be 3/8. And here we can see that entering partners new profit sharing ratio is not given to us. So we have to find out that also. So then we can find out from here whatever A is sacrificing, that is received by C. Whatever B is sacrificed, that is also received by C. So C's new share is equal to A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. So we can write down like this, that C's new share is equal to A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. So here we know that A is sacrificing 1/10 and B is sacrificing 1/8. So 1/10 plus 1/8. So here to make the plus we have to make the multiply by 4. Here we have to multiply by 5. So 4 upon 40 plus 5 upon 40. So C's new share will be 9 by 40. C's new share will be 9 by 40. And here A's new share is a 4 by 10. B's new share is, so new share is equal to 4 by 10 is to 3 by 8 is to 9 by 14. So here to make the denominator same, again we have to multiply here by 40 and 4 and here by 5. So 4 10s are 40, 8 4s are 8 5s are 40. So for that 4 4s are 60 upon 40 is to 5 3s are 50 upon 40 is to 9 upon 40. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to, therefore new profit sharing ratio is equal to 16 is to 15 is to 9. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. Again here they are asking us to find out the sacrificing ratio. We can see that A's sacrifice is 1 by 10 and B's sacrifice is 1 by 8. So here sacrificing ratio of A and B is equal to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 8. To make the denominator same, here we have to multiply by 4 and then 5. So 4 upon 40 is to 5 upon 40. So sacrificing ratio is 4 is to 5. So here we have finished with sum. You may note down this in your notebook. Let's see the sum number 6. A and B are the partner of firm selling profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. C is admitted as a new partner. A sacrificed 1/12 from his share and B sacrificed 1/6 from his share to C. Determine the sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So here we can see that A sacrificed 1/12 and B sacrificed 1/6. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 6. So making denominator same, here we are going to multiply by 1 and multiply by 2. So here 2, okay, here 1 upon 12 is to 2 upon 12. So sacrificing ratio will be 1 is to 2. So this is our sacrificing ratio. Again we have to here the share of new partner is not given. So we have to find out C's share. So as we know that C's share is equal to A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. So C's share is equal to A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. So here we can see that A's sacrifice is 1 by 12 and B's sacrifice is 2 by 12. So here 1 by 12 plus 2 by 12 is equal to 3 by 12. So this is C's new share. Now here they are asking us to find out new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So here old partners old profit sharing ratio is given, even the sacrifice is given. So from that formula new share is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 12. So making denominator same. Here again 4 and 1. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 12. So it will be 4 by 12 minus 2 by 12. So it will be 2 by 12. And again 6 share is 3 by 12. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to is equal to 7 is to 2 is to 3. 7 is to 2 is to 3. So this is new profit sharing ratio and this is sacrifice ratio. You may note down this in your notebook. Example number 7. Here, A, B and C are the partners of a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5 respectively. They admit B as a new partner for 1/6 share. So from the total share, D is going to take 1/6 straight and C would remain with his original share after D's admission. So C's share is 1 by 5. So he is going to continue with the 1 by 5th share and calculate new profit sharing ratio. So here to make the profit sharing ratio, we have to make the denominator same. So here A is to B is to C's share is equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 10 is to 1 by 5. So here to make the denominator same, we are going to take here 5, here 1, here 2. So 5 is a 5 upon 10 is to 3 upon 10 is to 2 upon 10. So new profit old profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Now they are telling us that B is going to take the 1/6 share and C is going to continue with his original share. So here we have to find out the remaining partner's share. So for that, remaining partner A and B's share is equal to total share minus C share minus B share. So here let assume total share of the firm is equal to 1. So 1 minus C share is 1 by 5 minus B share is equal to 1 by 6. So here from 1 we are going to deduct both of these. So for that we have to take the LCM and that LCM will be 30 minus here we can take 5 upon 5 multiplied by 6 and 6 multiplied by 5. So here 1 by 30 minus 6 by 30 plus, here we have to make the plus both of them. So 5 by 30. So here 30 upon 30 minus both of them 11 minus 30. So that will be 19 minus 30. So this is the remaining share of both partners, that is A and B. Now that they are going to remaining share multiplied by their old share. Okay, so remaining share multiplied by old share. So old share is 5 by 3. So remaining share is 19 upon 30. For the A's new share is equal to 19 multiplied by 30 is to 5 by 8. So it will be 19 5s are 95. 95 upon 240. So this is A's new share. Now let's find out B's new share. So B's new share is equal to remaining share is 19 by 30 into 3 by 8. So it will be 19 is 57 upon 240. Now we have to take B's and C's share, that is C's share is 1 by 5 and B's share is 1 by 6 up to the 240, so that we can find out the ratio. So C's share is equal to, C's share is how much? 1 by 5. So make the denominator same here. We have to multiply it with 48. So it will be 48 upon 240. And B's share is equal to 1 by 6. And it must be multiplied by 40. So it will be 40 upon 240. So new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 95 by 240 is to 57 upon 240 is to 48 upon 240 is to 40 upon 240. So new profit sharing ratio is 95 is to 57 is to 48 is to 40. So this is new profit sharing ratio. Students, you may note down this in your notebook. Let's see example number 8. A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Their agreement is C for 1/5 of the profit of the firm. So out of 1/5, which he takes 120 is from A. So whatever he is getting 1/5 from there, A is going to give 120. That means A's sacrifice is equal to 120 and remaining from B. So here we have to find out B's sacrifice, because if we want to find out new profit sharing ratio, the formula of new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. So A's sacrifice we got, but to find out B's new profit sharing ratio, first we need to find out B's sacrifice, and to find out that we need to do that the B's sacrifice is equal to C's share minus A's sacrifice. So this is how we are going to find out B's sacrifice, and after that we are going to find out A and B's new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so let's start here. So here, very first thing, as we know that old profit sharing ratio of A and B is equal to 3:2, and C's share is equal to 1/5. Okay. So now we are going to find out B's sacrifice. As we know, A's sacrifice is equal to 120. So now we are going to find out B's sacrifice. So B's sacrifice is equal to C's share minus A's sacrifice. So what will be? C's share, as we know, it is a 1/5 and A's sacrifice is 120. So making denominator same. Here it will be 420 minus 120. So 320 is B's sacrifice. Now we know A's sacrifice as well as B's sacrifice. So from their old ratio, we are going to deduct their sacrifice to find new cell. New cell is equal to old cell minus sacrifice. So here A's new cell is equal to A's old cell is 3/5 minus A's sacrifice is equal to 120. So here making denominator same. 12, 20 is 12 upon 20 minus 1 upon 20. So A's new cell will be 11/20. Now let's see the B's new cell. B's new cell is equal to B's old cell is 2/5 minus sacrifice is 3/20. So here again making denominator same. So it will be 8/20 minus 3/20. So it will be 5/20. And again, as we know that C's cell is how much, as we discussed before, it was 1/5. So making denominator same, again we are going to multiply by 4. So it will be 4/20. So here new profit sharing ratio is 11:5:4. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 11:5:4. You may note down this in your notebook. See the sum number 9. A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:1. They admitted C for 1/4 of the profit. A sacrificed 1/4 of his share. So here we have to find out A's sacrifice because this is his share. So we have to multiply this 1/4 with his share. So we are going to find out A's sacrifice. Okay. So and the remaining of C's share will be sacrificed by B. So here again we have to find out B's sacrifice. So very first we have to find out A's sacrifice, and then from total we are going to find deduct A's sacrifice. So we are going to have B's sacrifice, and then if you have old ratio as well as sacrifice, so we are able to find out new share of all the partners. So let's do the sum. Okay. So here very first thing is profit sharing, old profit sharing ratio. Of A and B is 4:1. 1. It will be 4 by 5 is to 1 by 5. Okay. So this is old profit sharing ratio. Now A is sacrificed, C is aggregate, and C share is equal to 1/4 of 4. And now A sacrificed 1/4 of his share. So here we have to find out A is the sacrifice. So A's sacrifice is equal to his share is 4 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4, as he is sacrificing 1/4 of his share. So we have to multiply. So here 4 ones are 4 and 5 ones are 20. So this is his sacrifice. Now from this A's sacrifice we are able to find out B's sacrifice, as B will sacrifice the remaining portion of the C's share. So here B's sacrifice is equal to C's share minus A's sacrifice. So B's sacrifice is equal to C's share minus A's sacrifice. So here C's share, as we know that C's share is 1/4 minus 4 by 20, meaning making denominator same. Here 5 20 is a minus 420 is equal to 1 by 20. Okay. So this is B's sacrifice, this is A's sacrifice. Now from their old ratio we are going to deduct the sacrifice, so we are able to find out their new ratio. So here new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. So here A's new share is equal to A's old share is 4 by 4 upon 5 minus A's sacrifice is equal to 4 upon 20. So here making denominator same. Here we are going to multiply by 4. Here 1. 4 4 is 16 minus 20. 4 upon 20. So it will be 12 upon 20. Now next, B's new share is equal to B's old share is 1 by 5 minus B's sacrifice is equal to 1 upon 20. So here again we are going to make the denominator same. For that 4 upon 20 minus 1 upon 20. So it will be 3 upon 20. So this is B's new share. Now C's new share is equal to C's new share is equal to 4 by 1 by 4. So here again we need to make the denominator same, and for that we have to multiply by 5. So that will be 5 by 20. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 12:3:5. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 12:3:5. So this is our answer.